not just to read a book, pass on examination and finish with education. From the moment you are born to the moment you die is a process of education. When I was selected as a TED member, I was very happy. And when I was briefed what TED is, I was really happy that we had to choose a topic that we are passionate about and present it as a talk. I was really very confused about choosing my topic. And one day in my school, when I was passing through my school corridor, I saw the global gym classes going on, and suddenly an idea flashed into my head: why don't I choose adult education as my topic? Global Dream is a project initiated by our principal, Dr. Stella Pandre ma'am, to educate all the sub-staff members like cleaners, attenders, watchmen and van drivers, as they did not get any education at their childhood. They got a very good opportunity to educate themselves. And we students of grade 6 and above, where even I was also part of this project, we involved ourselves with great enthusiasm to educate all our elders. Global Dream toolkits were distributed to each one of them and were closely monitored very often. This not only helped them, but us student volunteers also in innumerable ways, like we learned respect, gratitude and number of life skills like time management and planning. We'll also be acknowledged for our best service, and best amongst us will be given the Community Helper Award. This year the Community Helper Award was given to my friend Hanika of grade 7th for a great effort in helping all of them. Not only this, we observe Literacy Day in a very unique way. We have special assemblies conducted by our sub-staff members. This year they had role plays showcasing on how education is important to everyone. They gave many English speeches as well. I think that hard work is the key to success could be the best example considered for that. All the sub-staff members worked very hard for that event under the guidance of teachers and students, and this was one of the memorable days for all of us. So now I am going to play a video of World Literacy Day at Nurture International School this year.
The assembly activities, and we are proud to be a part of it. Literacy is a bridge from misery to hope. It is a tool for daily life. Now I call upon Shilpa to give the welcome speech.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಅಂಧಕಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದದ್ದು. ಇಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದದ್ದು. ಇಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ವಿಶ್ವ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ದಿನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಚರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಗುರುವಾರಿಯಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಂಡ್ರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಗುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಗುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಗುರಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕರಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸೂರಜ್ಗೆ ನಿಗಲ ಹೋ ರಹಾ ಹೈ ಅಬ್ ಉಜಾಲಾ ಆಂखे खोलो हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना तुम भी बोलो.
Thank you. Education is the key to success, and literacy is the bridge from misery to hope. Now I call upon Dhanlakshmi to share her thoughts.
Good morning. Good morning everyone. I am indeed happy to be present in front of you. Celebrating International Literacy Day. It is an occasion to remind yourself of the significance of the ability to read and write. Today, 1 in 5 adults lack minimum literacy skills, with 2/3 of them being women. Literacy is the art of basic education for all and essential for eradicating poverty, reducing child mortality, curbing population growth, achieving gender equality and ensuring sustainable development, peace and democracy. On this occasion, I would like to take an opportunity to thank Dr. Stella Pandre for giving us the privilege to read and write. It is due to the efforts of our little teachers and the guides that we are in front of you. I hope that this will inspire the efforts of the little ones to teach their elders. Thank you.
starting the Global Dream project, ma'am shared with me that when the school was newly started and she said any work to do like to bring register for attenders, they used to get very confused and not know which register to bring, and finally they used to get some other registers. Not only in these ways, they were also finding difficult in interacting with teachers and students in English. So in order to solve all this problem, Global Dream project was started and now is successfully being carried on. Seeing the concept of Global Dream, even I started teaching my grandparents at home, and from that, they are now at least able to read newspaper, calendars and many more. Similarly, government has started such literacy missions. A series of programs have been introduced since the first 5-year plan. The most prominent being the National Literacy Mission that was launched on 1988 to impact the functional literacy to non-literates. While the importance of education is immense, the range of difficulties that adult learners may also face are returning to the classroom setting after spending lots of time in their workplace, lack of time, lack of concentration, lack of confidence and accessibility. But as we all know, a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Like I said, it's never too late to learn. The same applies to all the naughtiness and fun one had during the schoolings. Why restrict yourself to just learning just because you're an adult? They can also experience the fun of going back and being a child while they're educating themselves as an adult. Here is a small video clipping to show you the ageless naughtiness of the inner child. Secure better job means more income, make a person more aware about what's happening around the world, can gain additional confidence, can lead their life without depending on others. Education makes their complicated life easier and can stand on their own feet. So now I'm going to play a video that shows the power of literacy.
Evening.
Evening.
May I ring that up for you?
Yes, please.
Have a good evening.
Repeat after me. A.
A.
Then
B.
And C.
C.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
No, not good. Not good.
Just the sounds that words make.
Cat,
Dog.
calamari.
Yeah.
Trash on the beach.
Oh. Good.
Farm fresh. My son and I mowed the grass.
What's the gold star?
Gold star.
Unbelievable. Dad.
Hey, Tubbs, I read your book.
You read my book?
So now after seeing this video, I feel that though no one can go back and make a new start, anyone can start now and make a new ending. Never discriminate one's power, because if they are determined to achieve something, they'll surely do it. When they can, why can't we lend our hands to help them when they do so much for us? I would like to end my presentation by saying, help others achieve their dream and you will achieve yours. I would also like to thank my principal for giving me this opportunity and my mentor Dr. Sunaina Pandre for guiding us through each and every step. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.